everybody, it's Kathy here from Nature Works, and I'm going to show you today how to make some Stone Age string. So here it is. You can see my bracelet is made from this ancient string or cordage, and it's made from nettles. So I'm going to show you today how to make something practical from stinging nettles. I like to think everybody knows what stinging nettles look like. They're really good plants to have in your garden if you want wildlife, to attract wildlife into your garden. So here it is. This is a bit of a beast, great big one. You need to check them before you pick them. Have a look under the leaves, make sure you haven't got any butterfly or moth eggs on there, or caterpillars even. Quite a few of our moth and butterfly species rely on nettles, so you really do need some in your garden. These have got little flowers on, as you can see, and I have seen some of the birds coming and feeding on these as well, and on the insects that are attracted to the nettles. So great thing to have for your wildlife garden. They're also medicinal plants, good for circulation of the blood. They're packed with vitamins and minerals. They're edible. You can make cloth with them. You can cook them in quiche. You can make soup. You can make beer from them. You can fry the leaves in oil and make crisps. They're so versatile, so fantastic plants. We know that they've been around in the UK quite a long time because nettle string has been found in Bronze Age tombs, and our Mesolithic site at Boldner, just off the coast on the north of the Isle of Wight, has some of the oldest string in the world has been found there, and that was from twisted plant fibres. So it might not have been nettles, but it was definitely the same technique, I think, as I'm going to show you today. So the clue's in the name, they do sting, so you need to put on some gloves for the first part, which is to take the leaves off. So that's what we're going to do first. So here we go. It's really good to have some nice a nice long stem if you can, and then you can get some nice long bits of string. But if yours are a little bit shorter, don't worry, because you can still do it. So there we are. That is our first part, our nice long strong nettle stem, and I'm going to move the camera now to show you how to do the next bit. So the next thing we need to do is flatten our nettle stem. So I'm going to use a little mallet that I've got. You could use a rolling pin for this. You could use a stone, whatever's easiest. So we really need to do that all the way along the stem. Good idea if you can get quite a long nettle stem. Right, so that's pretty flat now. So the next stage is to get your fingernail into the edge and open it up. You're kind of unfolding it all the way along that stem. Because what we really want for our cordage is the outside of the nettle, that sort of skin on the outside. We need to get rid of all this woody stuff in the middle. It's a little bit more of a challenge as it thins out this end. There we go. So we've got our flat nettle now, you can see that, and what we're going to do is sort of fold it in half, and as we do that you can see that these woody hard bits just stick up. I'm going to get rid of those by just pushing them off with my fingers. And what we're left with is these quite soft but strong ribbons of nettle. Do it again on the other side. Some beautiful colours in there as well. Almost purpley browns and different shades of green. Now these ribbons, once you sort of separate them out, you can then leave those to dry because there is a certain amount of shrinkage in this. I'm just going to make it as it is, and you can well, you can experiment with them once you know the technique. Okay, so I'm going to take my little ribbon of nettle. I'm going to fold it not in half. I'm going to have a long end and a shorter end, and I'll show you why that is in a minute. But what I'm going to do is just twist it, hold it on one side and then twist it away from me. And as I do that, you'll find that it really wants to fold in on itself. And just allow it to do that so that it twists over, and you have an end that looks a bit like that. Okay, so now I'm going to pinch that end. I'm going to continue to twist away from me, and then I'm going to bring that towards me. So pinch the end, twist away from you, and then bring it towards you. I might just do this on my leg if you can see that. Twist away and then bring towards you. Twist away and then bring towards you. And you can see the string is starting to appear. I'm going to do a bit more of that. Twist away. Keep going with that. And you will find that one of your ends will start to get a bit thin and start to peter out. So the idea is that you can twist a new piece onto that and carry on going, and you can keep the string, make it as long as you like really. Ooh, this nettle's making some nice purple stains on my trousers. So there we go. You can get into quite a rhythm of it. And as we get closer to the end of this piece, so that's what our cord looks like at the moment. Now I'm going to add a new piece onto here before it runs out. So I'm going to get another little piece. I'm going to put the thin end of it next to that one. And I'm just going to twist it in together. Twist, 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 and then bring it in. So there we go. That's how we make our Stone Age string. And there you have it. Stone Age string.